Is your summer break over? How about making the beginning of your school year better with funny slimes? Watch our new video with ideas on how to sneak slimes into class without anyone noticing. The start of class is the perfect time for a prank. No one expects pranks right after summer break. But Dolly is ready to go already. She hides edible slime in an apple and hurries to sneakily leave it for the teacher. Cut off the top of an apple. Scoop out the flesh. Melt jelly candies in a microwave for half a minute. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar. Mix it until it's not sticky anymore. Press edible beads into the slime and put it inside the apple. Attach the top of the apple with toothpicks. We sneak the apple onto the teacher's table. And we wait for her to come. Wait, could this really be our good old Miss Smith? She's a surfboarder girl and Miss Pina Colada all at the same time. Summer vacation turned our Miss Smith into a real tropical queen. She bravely bites the apple with slime. She is completely fearless now. You can't surprise her with an edible slime apple. We're not used to this new Miss Smith. It's time to bring her back from her vacation into real life and make her look more professional. Let's bring her workplace to order and clean the blackboard. Here, the best students have prepared the teacher for classes. Everything is in place again. Now the only thing that reminds Miss Smith of her hot vacation is her nose piercing. The girls can put a blazer on her, but they can't take her spirit of freedom away. Especially when Miss Smith brings a surprise. Her globe has marvelous and relaxing giant slime inside. Make maxi slime. We will need a lot of white glue. Squeeze shaving foam into it and blue acrylic paint. Add baby powder and a thickener such as borax. Mix the slime and add hand cream. Dissolve baking soda in water and add it to the slime so that it doesn't stick. We need our giant slime. It stretches out well and doesn't tear apart. Take a big globe off its stand and cut it along the equator. Cover the hole in the globe with a black foam rubber sheet and put the giant slime inside. Press small animal toys into it. Close the globe and put it back on the stand. Miss Smith dives into the world ocean slime. You could arrange a whole great flood here. Small animals are already swimming in the water area of the globe. The teacher feels like a sea goddess. But we need to stop this immediately, otherwise Miss Smith will never come back to the reality of school. But how can you possibly resist a giant slime? It is as relaxing as the real sea, and you can catch not only fish in it, but also a giraffe. Miss Smith falls into her own trap. Her hands get covered with a sticky slime tsunami. We have a new prank ready. Will I raise my hand to distract the teacher? Daisy slips her a slime ruler. Mix even amounts of water and stationery glue. Add a pinch of soda and keep mixing. Add lens solution. Mix it until you get a slime consistency. Then leave it in a bowl for 10 minutes. Then knead it with your hands. You get a clear slime that looks very similar to a jellyfish. Stretch it out and put it onto a plastic ruler. Cut off the excess. The ruler is ready for the prank. Dolly changes her mind about asking a question, and Miss Smith falls for it. She gets stuck to the slime ruler. Surprise! But we didn't take into account the fact that the teacher is very accurate with her aiming. Now, clear slime is flying right back at us. Studying is serious business. The girls are hard at work taking notes. But someone managed to smuggle slime